Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to log out in your Google Lens. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, to log out from your Google Lens, all you need to do is simply tap open your Google Lens itself. So for this, you need to tap open your Google account and simply tap on your profile icon, and once you have tapped on it, you need to simply tap on the drop down menu bar and select manage accounts on this device. Then simply select the account that you want to log out from and hit the remove account option. So once you have tapped on the remove account option, you need to double tap on the remove account option once again, and once you have done this as well, you will successfully be logged out from that particular Google account, which will also log you out from your Google Lens activated from that account. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.